Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first you have to open your clock, switch to the alarm, and here we get the two default alarms, so I'm going to activate one of them. And to customize you have to click on this arrow. So at the first we can set up the time, first hours, then minutes. We can also activate the repeat. Here we can set up the days. We can activate or deactivate vibration. We can change the ringtone or the music. We can also use external applications like Spotify or YouTube. So you can set up whatever you want. If you pick up, you have to just simply go back. We can add the label and also set the Google Assistant routine. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.